We could possibly learn the verdict in the track meet stabbing trial today.
The case is now in its final phase after the defense rested yesterday, trying to change the court's mind about what led to the deadly confrontation between two teenagers.
Chris Sadeghi is live outside the Collin County Courthouse as we expect to hear closing arguments in just a few hours.
Yes, Matt, those closing arguments should take place this morning, and it all happens after a surprise move that left many in the courtroom exactly that, very surprised at the occurrence. All that's left to do for both sides to present their closing argument, and then the jury will begin deliberations. The judge told them if they do not reach a verdict at the day's end, they will be sequestered at a local hotel. We've reached this point because after calling a few more athletes who were at the track meet that day to the stand, the defense rested on Monday afternoon, and immediately following, the state said they would not present any rebuttal witnesses. That means neither Karmelo Anthony or Austin Metcalf's brother Hunter will testify, although it's possible they could be called in a punishment phase if the jury convicts Anthony. Our legal expert Bree West was in the courtroom yesterday. She spoke on our After the Trial special about the surprise in the courtroom when the defense rested.
There was almost an audible gab. I mean, people were shocked. It seemed to come out of nowhere. Nobody anticipated that. I think most people thought that Karmelo Anthony was going to testify.
Now, one more thing we will be watching this morning. The two sides spent the afternoon preparing the formal charge. We will be watching to see if they include the lesser charge of manslaughter as an option for the jury if they convict. Manslaughter carries a punishment range between 2 and 20 years. If they convict on murder, that carries a punishment range between 5 and 99 years. Matt and Dia, back to you.
All right, Chris, thank you for that. Make sure you stay with us for updates on when the jury gets the case, as well as live coverage once a verdict comes in. You can also watch our After the Trial coverage every night at 8 p.m. on WFAA+.